Assembly Hall brings a number of the artist's collections into a museum context for the first time. The Walker's galleries are transformed into a total work of art. The exhibition considers what Gates calls resurrections, or the act of bringing old objects and spaces back to life, while examining the historical and social context of their making in the process. Theaster Gates' multifaceted practice includes sculpture, installation, performance, and architectural interventions. An important aspect of his work entails reclaiming and revitalizing abandoned buildings, often through the use of recycled materials in historically black neighborhoods across Chicago's South Side.